AI copied three things from the brain: neurons, layers, and feedback. But here is what it misses: embodiment, plasticity, memory. You learn from a single mistake, but AI needs millions of examples. You live in a body, but AI floats in text. You ask why, AI only knows what comes next. That's the gap. Want more? I explain it all in Human V4, and first 100 copies half price, and you can grab it from the link below. The human brain has 86 billion neurons wired through senses, emotions, and experiences. And a neural network, it's just math, layers of numbers passing signals forward. It doesn't feel, it doesn't adapt like us. It just simply computes. When ChatGPT fires neurons, it's just simply flipping weights. It's not a living memory. That difference truly matters. I unpack it in Human V4. First 100 readers get 50% off. Link below. If a machine can solve your problems, interrupt your questions, and solve solutions without ever being aware it exists, do you still call that intelligence, or is intelligence something more than just performance? I explored this question in Human V4, and for the first 100 readers, the book is 50% off. Link below. And what do you think? Comment your answer. Researchers calls it Potemkin AI, a facade of intelligence over statistical machinery. ChatGPT isn't lying when it hallucinates. It's exactly doing what it was designed to: generate the most probable continuation of text. And confidence is not comprehension, fluency is not thought. Don't confuse the mask for the mind. For all full breakdown, check Human V4 and 50% off for the first 100 copies. Check it out if interested. AI won't wipe out all jobs, but it will widen the gap between those who use it and those who don't. It's not man versus machine like man versus wild. So it's human with AI versus human without AI. That is the real threat. And Human V4 gives you the literacy to stay ahead. First 100 readers 50% off. The biggest risk of AI isn't job loss or bias, it's forgetting what makes us human: creativity, compassion, moral judgment. Machines can stimulate, but they can't replace this. So, AI literacy is about protecting human dignity, not just learning tools. That's why I wrote Human V4. First 100 readers get half price. Does ChatGPT actually think? No, it isn't. What you are seeing is simulation, not cognition. When it answers, it is not reasoning. It's predicting the next likely word based on patterns it has seen in its training data. It's like autocomplete, but at scale. We call it intelligence, but it's really a statistical performance. The mind isn't inside the machine, it is inside the system we built around it. I unpack this in my Human V4 book, and first readers, 100 readers, get premium collectible at 50% off, and link below. AI doesn't think for itself, it thinks within the systems we build. Prompts aren't just the inputs, they are the scaffolds. When you say, let's think step by step, you are not teaching the machine to reason, you are shaping its simulation. Human integration is the true engine of machine intelligence. That's why prompt engineering matters and why I created Human V4. First 100 copies, half price. Grab it from the link below. Here is a cheat code from Human V4. Machine intelligence is not knowledge. It's fluency without understanding and precision without perception. That's why AI can ace a test at once and fail at common sense. It's a mirror of our patterns, not a mind of its own. Want more these insights? My book Human V4 is 50% off for the first 100 readers. Link below.